Hello my lovelies. I finally had a chance to get on here and make another video. Hope you had a nice Christmas and a happy New Year. Here it was very quiet, just me and my husband, but we had a good time and too much to eat probably. Anyway, I decided one day that I would try to come up with something fun to make with paperback handles, because I've never used them. I always just throw them away and use the paperbacks for covers or pages or whatever. But I want to try to make something of this. So I came up with a few ideas, and I think I'll make some sort of mini-series. It's probably been made before, but I'll probably have my own take on it. So let me show you what I've come up with. The first thing I'll show you is how to make a pocket out of these, and I decided to keep the shape of the handle and just add one more side here. So I've been using the grid here to make sure that they are somewhat straight. So I'll just take the handle and I think for me 1.5 inch for these handles is perfect. So I'll just fold that. I'll do it the other way so it's the same, so you have the same fold like this. And of course probably best to use a bone folder here. Doesn't have to be accurate, just as long as you make the sides sort of the same length, and make sure that you can actually glue these two ends together. I think that is it. There we go. And I'll see if I can get my glue running, because it's so cold here in Britain at the moment. Some areas have snow, we haven't had a lot, but that's normal for our area. No? Let's see if we can force it. Get this glue flowing. There we go, that should do it. Just put a dab of glue on one end. There we go. Much better. And stick them together. Just make sure that everything will line up. There we are. The handles don't really want to work with you, but let's see if we can make them do what we want. You can of course also use this as a frame. or pictures, or just stick it in your on a page, and you can put tags or notes in behind here, sort of like a pocket, but I decided that I wanted to use lace as a background here. And I'll do it this way. So we'll see if I can get this to fit. And I'll just cut the excess off afterwards. I'll just make a line around first. Just to make the lace stick. I'm not doing any measuring or cutting or anything. As usual, I'll just wing it. Let's see. I think that will be okay. Let's see if we can make that stick. Just need a few seconds. And then we can put more glue on. Make sure the glue goes where we want it to go. There we are. This particular lace is a bit stretchy, so it can be a bit of a faff, but it'll do. We'll make it work. There we go. Maybe a bit more under here, just to make sure it'll hold. There we are. And a bit on this side. There we go. So I'm hoping my new camera, which I got for Christmas, my lovely daughter and son-in-law decided to treat me. So I'm hoping that it'll be much better for you to look at now. Not all that focusing in and out, which was driving me mad at some point. This should be much better, hopefully. Unless I'm the one doing something wrong, which is possible. Let's face it, I'm not the biggest tech nerd. There we go. So that is essentially the pocket, and then we can of course decorate it, for example, to hide that overlap here. Let's see what we can come up with. You know, when you have too much to choose between. I'm sure I'm not the only one with that problem. Let's see. Maybe a big flower. I'm running out of these, unfortunately. I've used them a lot because they're so nice. But let's see if this one may fit. Don't know. What do you think? With or without? I have no idea. It doesn't scream yes at the moment, so I'll leave it. I'll leave it. I will, however, put it in here. I thought it would be nice here because of the pink lace and the pink flowers. Dog roses, I think it is. So I'll put the pocket here, and then we'll see what we can put in it. I think it needs quite a lot of glue. See, my glue isn't very flowy at the moment. I think it's the cold, because usually it is quite good. But why wouldn't the glue stop working? It will glue, but it's just very thick and uncooperative. Let's see if we can make it stick. I think it will. Yeah. Oops, there we go. And let me see if I have no? Come on, little glue. We need you to stick. Maybe not, but I can show you. Because I have made this before. I think this needs something heavy on it. I'll just close it for now and see if I can find the one I made. Yes, I know I should have prepared this, but where are we? There we go. Oops, see, that's the one I made. This one I made from some leftover pieces, so I just cut the pieces to size, and you can actually straighten this out and make it look better, so you don't have these sharp folds. See, that looks better already. So there's a pocket here, and I put it on a piece of embossed paper, so I've got a big pocket behind there as well. I'm sure I had another one. I am sure I had another one. Let's see. Let's see where I put it. There. Exactly here. See? That's how I fold it. Put lace in behind there and a little tag here, and just decorate it with flowers so you're hiding the overlap. I just put these in, I secured these with what's the word? You know what they are. Just to make sure that the glue will hold, because as I said, the handles are a bit uncooperative, so they will bend up or down or whatever. So that was my quick little project today. I hope you get inspired and try to make your own paperback handle pockets. That's the name for it. I will leave you to it, and if you make something, let me know, or let me know what you think of the project. Have you seen it before? Because I'm not gonna take credit for anything that I haven't come up with. So yeah, let me know in the comments. Bye.